Hey everyone, welcome to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Today we're diving into a simple yet fascinating question. What is Bitcoin? So grab a seat and let's get started. Imagine a world where you can send money to anyone, anywhere, without needing a bank. That's Bitcoin for you. A digital currency that's revolutionizing the way we think about money. Unlike regular money, Bitcoin isn't printed or controlled by any government. It's completely digital, kinda like the coins in video games, but you can actually use it to buy real stuff. Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. But no, you don't need a pickaxe or a helmet. It's all done on computers. Think of it as solving complex math problems, and in return, you get Bitcoins. Now you might wonder, why all the hype about Bitcoin? Well, it's a bit like gold. There's only a limited amount of it out there, making it super valuable. One cool thing about Bitcoin is its anonymity. You can own and use Bitcoins without ever revealing your identity. It's like using cash, but in the digital world. But hey, don't forget, the value of Bitcoin can go up and down, just like stocks. So while it's an exciting investment, it's always good to be cautious. To sum up, Bitcoin is a digital currency, created through mining, valuable like gold, and offers anonymity. It's a whole new way of thinking about money. And that's our quick tour of Bitcoin. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Next time, we'll dive deeper into how Bitcoin works. Stay curious, and see you soon.